Guys, have you tried Goldona coffee before? You need to try it because it's really good. I'll see you in a little bit. And those who did not subscribe to my channel yet, please subscribe and give me a comment over here. And don't forget to press that notification bell so you get notified in my next video. Thank you, guys. Hello, my friends. Today I'm going to make Goldona coffee. My niece sent this to me from what? Darling. Okay, here is, I have my ice cream on my cup or my glass, and then put the Goldona cream on the top. This is similar to putting like the chocolate fudge on your ice cream. See guys, it's really good. I didn't fill it up because the glass is, full. It's tall. And I don't like to put too much so I cannot eat all. If you are really good in eating ice cream, then you can fill it up and then put some creamer or Goldona coffee on the top. So whatever, if you like chocolate ice cream, vanilla, or mint, or any kind of ice cream, you can put coffee, Goldona coffee on top. Enjoy your coffee, my friends.